Good morning, class. I hope that all is well with you today. Okay, so last week, if you remember, during our Zoom meetings, I reminded you about the mid-of-year test that will happen from Monday to Wednesday. Okay, you can take within those 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And on Thursday and Friday, we're going to begin our regular classes. So you might ask, what about on Tuesday? It's a mandatory Zoom meeting. Yes, it is, but I'm still going to post a Zoom meeting link tomorrow, which is Tuesday. But you are not required to join the class, okay? Because as I've said, you're supposed to be taking your middle of year test. So I know that you can do that in one day. You can either do that on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. It's up to you. But don't forget, class, to do the attendance cards, okay? For the days that you're not taking the test anymore. And then on Thursday, we're going to begin our regular classes. We're going to begin where we stopped before the Christmas break. So before the Christmas break, we were on lesson 14, which is about utilities. Okay, we learned how to read the electric meter. We calculated the consumed electricity within the month. Okay, and also we have calculated the electricity bill that you're going to pay for that consumption. So as you can see here in the first column, class, your goals. So on the 14th and 15th, on the 14th, okay, students will review, learn, and understand the vocabulary words about utilities such as electricity, water, natural gas, or telephone service, and complete the activity on lesson 14, utilities part 1, calculating electric and gas bills. And on the 15th, I will also give you another student activity on still on lesson 14, but will be focused on calculating the natural gas bill. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the activities within the week, please feel free to message me on Hangout as well as in my email, and also you're welcome to join me on the Zoom meeting tomorrow. Okay, have a great day. Take care. Wash your hands. Okay, God bless.